This video is just one part of defense attorney Jim Yeargan's comprehensive video series. Be sure to view other videos for more information. A Georgia driver's license or someone's privilege to drive in this state may be suspended, revoked, or canceled for many reasons, including but not limited to DUI convictions, drug possession, accumulating too many points on your license, driving without insurance, hit and run, failure to appear in court, and failure to pay child support or civil judgments. Drivers who are pulled over while driving with a suspended license are almost always arrested and have their vehicles impounded. Driving on a suspended license can be either a misdemeanor or felony in Georgia. A first offense within a 5-year period, as measured from date of offense to date of offense, is a misdemeanor which carries a minimum sentence of 2 days in jail, a $500 fine, and an additional 6-month license suspension. This is a hard suspension, meaning there is no limited permit for work, school, or anything. Additionally, your fingerprints are taken and forwarded to the Georgia Crime Information Center, where you will be assigned an identification number to track future violations. A second and third conviction for driving on a suspended license within a 5-year period is a high and aggravated misdemeanor and carries a minimum sentence of 10 days in jail, a $1,000 fine, and an additional 6 months hard license suspension. A fourth conviction in a 5-year period is a felony and punishable with a minimum sentence of 12 months in jail, a $1,000 fine, and a 6-month license suspension. Just because you are charged with driving on a suspended license does not mean you will be convicted. Driving on a suspended license has many defenses, including the reason for the suspension, whether your suspension is by operation of law or whether you had notice of the suspension. Even if the prosecution has enough evidence to convict you, there are certain ways of pleading which may allow you to avoid a conviction, an additional 6-month license suspension, and additional time in jail. To avoid driving on a suspended license conviction, additional license suspension, and jail time, contact us today.